The sun appears to move. Unit 5.3. Investigate how the sun seems to move during the day. What is the difference between a diagram and a picture? Diagram is a drawing or outline. Sun's path in the sky. Picture is an image represented in a photograph. Our nearest star is the sun. It is very bright and hot. During the hours of daylight, the sun gives us light. The sun is a very big light source. The sun looks as though it moves across the sky. Questions. Do you agree with these children? Yes. Can you describe the way the sun appears to move each day? Sun moves from east to west. Every day the sun, moon, planets, and stars appear to rise in the east and set in the west. Actually, these celestial bodies aren't moving that fast, but Earth is. It spins on its axis from west to east approximately every 24 hours. The diagram shows the sun at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Look at how sun's position in the sky has changed during the day. Draw a diagram like this one to show where the sun is early in the morning. Add position of the sun to the diagram. Write down the time on your diagram. Does the sun's position appear to change? How? Yes, sun position appears to change from east to west. When is the sun highest in the sky? At noon.